Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about judge blocking the Biden administration from granting legal status to immigrant spouses of U.S. citizens. In a significant development concerning U.S. immigration policy, a federal judge has recently blocked the Biden administration's initiative to grant legal status to immigrant spouses of U.S. citizens. This ruling represents a notable shift in the ongoing legal and political debates surrounding immigration reforms, and could have profound implications for many families seeking to navigate the complex U.S. immigration system. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. A federal judge in Texas on Monday temporarily blocked the Biden administration from granting legal status to undocumented immigrants married to American citizens, granting a request from 16 Republican states that challenged the new policy. The order by District Court Judge J. Campbell Barker effectively brings to a halt a large immigration program that opened just last week to an estimated 500,000 immigrants living in the U.S. without legal status. While preliminary and temporary, the ruling is also an early blow to one of the two major moves taken by President Biden in June on immigration, a top campaign issue in the 2024 race for president. Announced just weeks after another executive action that has greatly curtailed access to asylum at the southern border, the program, known as Keeping Families Together, was announced as a measure to address the plight of some of the undocumented immigrants who have lived in the U.S. for years in legal limbo. The policy allows undocumented immigrants to apply for temporary work permits and deportation protections under an immigration benefit known as parole if they are married to U.S. citizens, have lived in the country for at least 10 years, and pass background checks. The video is also open to the undocumented stepchildren of U.S. citizens. Those with felony convictions are ineligible for process. Most importantly, the program also unlocks a streamlined pathway to permanent residency and, after several years, U.S. citizenship for eligible immigrants. Immigrants, including those living in the U.S. illegally, can get a green card if they marry an American citizen. However, U.S. law generally requires those who entered the U.S. illegally to leave the country and re-enter legally to be eligible for a green card. Doing so, however, can trigger a 3 or 10-year ban from the use, prompting many mixed status families not to pursue that option. While the Biden administration has argued its initiative promotes family unity in households that include U.S. citizens, Texas, and the other Republican-controlled states said in a lawsuit filed Friday that the policy rewards illegal immigration. The red states, which have challenged nearly every major Biden administration immigration move, said the policy misused the Immigration Parole Authority. On Monday, Barker, the federal judge in Texas appointed by former President Donald Trump, issued an administrative order prohibiting the Department of Homeland Security from granting parole to those applying for the Keeping Families Together policy. Barker made his order valid for 14 days, but he suggested he could extend it. While they can't approve them, federal officials can continue accepting applications under the video. The recent judicial block on the Biden administration's policy to provide legal status to immigrant spouses of U.S. citizens highlights the continuing challenges and legal battles within U.S. immigration reform as this video progresses. It will be crucial to monitor how these legal decisions impact families and the broader conversation about immigration policy in the United States. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about judge blocking the Biden administration from granting legal status to immigrant spouse of US citizens. On Monday, a federal judge in Texas, Campbell Barker, temporarily blocked the Biden administration's new policy aimed at granting legal status to undocumented immigrants married to US citizens. This decision comes in response to a lawsuit filed by 16 Republican-led states challenging the policy. The judge's order halts the implementation of a significant immigration program that had just launched and was expected to benefit around 500,000 immigrants living in the US without legal status. The Keeping Families Together program, unveiled by President Biden in June, was designed to address the situation of undocumented immigrants who have lived in the US for years without legal status. The policy allows eligible immigrants to apply for temporary work permits and deportation protections under immigration parole, provided they are married to US citizens, have resided in the US for at least 10 years, and passed background checks. The program also extends eligibility to undocumented stepchildren of US citizens. However, those with felony convictions are excluded. This video aimed to offer a streamlined pathway to permanent residency and eventual US citizenship for eligible immigrants. Traditionally, immigrants who entered the US illegally are required to leave the country and re-enter legally to obtain a green card, a process that often triggers a 3 or 10-year ban from re-entering the US, discouraging many mixed-status families from pursuing this route. The Biden administration argued that this policy promotes family unity, but the Republican-led states contend that it incentivizes illegal immigration and misuses the Immigration Parole Authority. Judge Barker's order, effective for 14 days with the possibility of extension, prohibits the Department of Homeland Security from granting parole under the new policy, although the department can still accept applications. This judicial block underscores the ongoing legal and political challenges facing US immigration reform efforts.